Good morning, it's Sarah Taylor. Hi, I just wanted to pop in and say um, hello and tell you about some things that are going on with me and with my art. So I have this retreat happening September 14th through the 16th, and I'm just about booked. I've got maybe one or two slots open for that, so that's going to be really fun. We're going to have all sorts of activities. It's on my website. The link is below in more information. And I just delivered some art to the Art Spirit Gallery in Coeur d'Alene for July. So if you're in the area for whatever reason, or if you're local here, you can pop in there in July, and I've got like 9 pieces there. So yeah, and I just am really enjoying the summer. It's been kind of ups and downs starting out, just a very busy, a lot going on with the kids, and but everybody is well. And really been enjoying the studio. I've got some big canvases planned. Like I bought 2 7-foot tables and put them up on risers so I can get these big canvases off the floor. And it's hard working on the floor. If you're over 25 and you're doing large paintings on the floor, I highly suggest trying to get, I mean, I've walked away from those just sore for like not feeling great for days from working down on my knees and bending over. So that's going on. And yeah, I just am doing a really pretty little bloom swipe this morning. I'm using that TriArt high viscosity paint that FluidArt company started selling in the US, which I'm so grateful for. It's wonderful. And I mixed it with the Australian Floetrol. I do have a suspicion that the TriArt might work on its own without anything. I'm going to try it, and I'll let you know what I find out. And then I'm also using that beautiful Pebeo moon for the textural effect that happens when it dries. So enjoy just a pretty little painting for your Friday, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so my colors, I have a Stuck Up Piggy, which is sold by FluidArt Company. And this one is one of their new ones, which I think is my favorite yet. And it's called uh, Egotistical. And then that is kind of a dark raw umber mixed with indigo, and then kind of a beigey color that I mixed up. And then this is that's Charvin magenta, and I dulled it down with a little bit of white. And then that is Royal Blue Light by Charvin. And kind of this mustardy yellow. Some of these are a little older, so I apologize. I don't know exactly. That is a chartreuse. And I mixed in a little bit of ColourArte Pineapple Crush in that just to pop it up just a little bit. And then the Pebeo Moon in Pearl. And yeah, that's it. I did have one other paint there I don't think I showed you, which was the Golden Interference Gold. And then this is my Perfect Pillow recipe, which I will link the video in the description below. It's worked really well. It never cracks. It's just been awesome. And then I'm kind of starting with the light colors, and I'm going to build up. I'm starting with the dark colors here, as you can see, and I'm going to build up into the lighter colors, kind of create some design and composition, and add the Pebeo Moon. And then I'm using I think I used maybe 4 different colors of cell activator here. So the Indian yellow, the green, I think I did use the green gold, their carbon black, and their quinacridone magenta. And those are all TriArt colors that are mixed 1 part paint to 3 parts Australian Floetrol. And I just love the idea of playing with different colors of cell activator in the same painting. And you can actually, really bring a lot of different contrast and interest that way with your color theory. It's kind of like, feels like it's limitless. So, and every color I've worked with from TriArt works just as well as the next. So I'm excited about that, as you can tell. But I hope you enjoyed this little painting, and I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful summer and start to your day or into your day, wherever you're watching from. and I'll show you the dried results at the end. Okay, take great care. Talk to you soon.